Do you want to earn a great passive income with absolute no work? Well, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you what are the best strategies that you can use in 2023 to make even up to 1000 to 5000 US dollars every single month with absolute minimum effort. So let's picture this. You are doing a job and you want to make a passive income, but you don't have much time to invest. Well, these strategies that I personally use will definitely help you to earn up to 1000 to 5000 US dollars every single month by absolute no work. So make sure to stick around till end of this video to find out what are these methods that I personally use to this day to earn a great passive income. And before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more e-money content. And without any further ado, let's get right to it. So let's get started with the first method. The first method is kind of a tricky one because it requires some sort of creativity to do, but don't worry, I will show you a way around with it by using AI. So the first method is to sell poems on websites like Etsy and Fiverr. And I know what you're thinking. How can I ever possibly write a poem? Don't worry, because you don't have to. Use the ChatGPT AI tool which will write poems for you. And before you think it's not going to be working or it's a waste of time, there are thousands of freelancers around the world who writes poems and even earning up to 10 to 50 US dollars for every poem that they write. It's a very easy process. You can do it as well. You just have to ask AI ChatGPT to write poems for you. You can even write up to hundreds of poems in just a matter of minutes. So it's a very good side hustle. You can start right now and even earning up to 1000 to 250 US dollars every single month. And the second method is actually a pretty common way in e-commerce websites, and that is to start a design agency. Even if you don't have any knowledge about graphic designing, you can still make up to 10 to 80 US dollars per design. Matter of fact, you don't even need a PC or a laptop because you can use the free software called Canva and pick templates out of the thousands of templates that they have and simply earn up to 10 to 80 US dollars. There are millions of freelancers who does the same exact method and even earning up to 5000 US dollars every single month with absolute no effort at all. I personally think this method is definitely help you to earn money even if you have no interest about designing in general, because you don't have to waste any time designing from scratch. All you have to do is just click up the template and change, and you can sell it on websites like Fiverr and earn money with it. It's a very good hustle. You can start right now and earn money with it. So let's move on with the third method. This method is actually a more profitable method, and that is to list up as a blogger on websites like Fiverr and Upwork. You can make up to 50 to 100 US dollars for each blog that you write. You can use the help of ChatGPT again to write these blogs for you. But don't just copy and paste it. Use another AI tool called wordai.com to kind of humanize the ChatGPT output to make it more authentic. All the things aside, bloggers are making even up to 10k US dollars every single month by just writing blogs, but you can automate it and write blogs in a matter of seconds. So this is a great hustle as well that you can use as if in right now in 2023, even earning up to 10,000 US dollars every single month by just doing that full time. So it's a very good hustle. You can start right now or you can do it full time as well. So the fourth method is to make YouTube videos using AI. If you don't have an exact idea on how to start a YouTube channel, I have done an in-detail video about it. Link is down in the description, or you can click the link above. So all you have to do is first pick a niche on what type of category of videos you want to make videos about. And you can use the ChatGPT AI tool to write a YouTube script for you on the topic of niche that you are trying to make videos about. After that, copy that script and go to a text-to-speech AI tools such as wellsaid.com or speechify.com to make that text into a speech. And you can use some free softwares for editing and upload videos on YouTube. And that is a very good hustle that you can do in your free time to make a great passive income. And that is pretty much it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and let's catch up in another video.